In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to delete rows and columns in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever needed to clean up a spreadsheet or remove extra space, this quick walkthrough will help you do it confidently and without confusion. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop in your web browser. Make sure the file you want to edit is loaded and you can see the grid with row numbers down the left and column letters across the top. To delete a row, start by clicking the row number on the far left. When you click it, the entire row will highlight, indicating it's selected. With the row selected, right-click anywhere on that highlighted area to open the context menu, then choose Delete Row. Google Sheets will remove the row completely and shift everything below it up to fill the gap. If you changed your mind, you can immediately undo using your standard undo shortcut. Now let's do the same for a column. Click the column letter at the top of the sheet to select the entire column. You'll see the whole column highlight, confirming it's selected. Right-click on that highlighted column and choose Delete Column from the menu. The column is removed, and anything to the right shifts left to close the space. If you need to remove more than one row or column, simply repeat the same process for each. You can also select multiple rows or columns at once before you right-click, which lets you delete them together in a single action. Just be sure you've selected exactly what you intend to remove, because deleting is different from just clearing values. Deleting changes the structure of your sheet by shifting surrounding data. A few quick tips as you work. If your right-click doesn't open a menu, make sure you're clicking on the highlighted row number or column letter area. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same as a right-click. If you're collaborating with others, consider letting them know before you remove rows or columns, since the structure of the sheet will change. And if you only want to remove the contents but keep the row or column in place, use Clear Options instead of Delete. Repeat these steps for any additional rows or columns you want to remove, and take a moment to review your sheet when you're finished to confirm everything looks right. And that's how you delete rows and columns in Google Sheets on desktop. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!